Exercise 1.3 Problem 5 Discussion. In a college, 60 students enrolled in chemistry, 40 in physics, 30 in biology, 15 in chemistry and physics, 10 in physics and biology, 5 in biology and chemistry. No one enrolled in all three. Find how many are enrolled in at least one of the subjects. Okay, so basically you have 60 students enrolled in chemistry, 40 in physics, 30 in biology, 15 in chemistry and physics, 10 in physics and biology, 5 in biology and chemistry. No one is enrolled in all three. It's a very important statement. Okay, then how many are enrolled at least in one subject? This is what is asked. So if you take C as students enrolled in chemistry, P as students enrolled in physics, B as students enrolled in biology, we will have chemistry and physics. This is C intersection P, and physics and biology. This is P intersection B. Biology and chemistry. This is B intersection C. And no one is enrolled in all three. That is P intersection C intersection B. Okay, that is 0. Then how many are enrolled in at least one of the subjects? That is basically you have to have very clearly this understanding. And means it is intersection. See, here they say biology and chemistry. So that is what I am saying. It is B intersection C. Okay. So, and means intersection. Or at least one of these subjects, all these things means union. So what they are asking us to find is B union, actually C union P union B. That is what they are asking us to find. Okay, so let me repeat. Okay, so let me repeat. Intersection means, sorry, and means is intersection, or means is union. And when they say at least one of the subjects means the student can be enrolled in physics in one subject, or two subjects, or three subjects. Okay, so or is coming. So it is basically union. So it is C union P union B. C union P union B is what they are asking us to find. Okay, so if this you remember, then everything else will become clear. So anyway, let's list out. So they are given the cardinal values of the various sets. C is a set for referring to students studying in chemistry. P is for physics, B is for biology, C intersection P is chemistry and physics, P intersection B is students who are enrolled in physics and biology, B intersection C is biology and chemistry, C intersection B intersection P is chemistry and biology and physics. Okay, and we need to calculate at least in one subject, that is number of students who are enrolled either in C or C and B or B and P or C and P or all three. That is referred by C union B union C. Okay, or means it's union, and means intersection. So either C or B or C or any combination is C union B union P. Okay, and we know the formula for the cardinal value for the union of three sets is given. We know that C union B union P is N of C plus N of P plus N of B minus N of C intersection P minus N of P intersection B minus N of C intersection B plus N of C intersection P intersection B. Okay. Now, first step is to, okay, so in this case, now if you go through this, N of C we know, that is 60. N of P we know, that is 40. N of B, that is number of students enrolled in biology, is 30. N of C intersection P chemistry and physics. Okay, 15 in chemistry and physics, so that is also known. Okay, physics and biology, so that is also known, that is 10, right? Chemistry and biology, right? That is chemistry and biology. 15 in chemistry, 10 in physics and biology. Okay, chemistry and physics is given. I think I'm missing something. Okay, 40 in physics, 15 in chemistry and physics, that is given. Okay, 10 in physics and biology, that's given. 5 in biology and chemistry. Sorry, it is here, it's hiding here. So 5, this is also known, 5. And all three subjects is known, that is 0. So all the values, the RHS are known. So if you substitute these values in this formula, you should be able to get the left hand side, which is the required answer. Okay. So substitute all these values, cardinal values, in this equation, simplify and get the value of n of C union B union P. Okay. The next step, this is additional. Check by solving using Venn diagram actually. Okay. So this is an additional thing. If you want, you can do it, but I take this opportunity to teach you to do it using Venn diagram also. Okay, this you'll see it in the solution. Okay, so now what I suggest is pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion, please come back and check your solution against our working. Okay, so now let's go to the solution. So let CPB represent the set of students enrolled in chemistry, physics and biology respectively. Okay, this is a key. So what is a set? Set is a collection of elements as per a certain definition. So if we define the students, here we are defining C is a set which represents students enrolled in the chemistry. You can, so C will be the list of all the names of the students who are enrolled in chemistry. Similarly for physics and for biology. So we can count and find the number of elements. So N of C is given here as 60, N of P is 40, N of B is given as 30. Okay. So now the next thing is that students who are in chemistry and physics, enrolled in physics, is represented by and. So C and P. So C intersection P and N of C intersection P is given as 50. Similarly, students enrolled in physics and biology, that is P and B. So N of P intersection B is 10. Right? Then students enrolled in biology and chemistry, again and. So B and C, N of B intersection C is 5. Okay, students in chemistry, physics and biology, chemistry and physics and biology is C intersection B intersection B, again all this and, okay, is 0 because they say no one is enrolled. Now we have this formula, N of C union B union P, and we are asked to find at least one. At least one means either students are enrolled in C or B, P or B, okay, or. So it is union. So that is C union B union P, and we are asked to find the number. So it is N of C union B. Using that formula, we have this. As I told you in the earlier, we know all these values. The entire right hand side we know. So all we need to do is substitute those values here and simplify. You will be able to get the left hand side. So N of C is 60, N of P is 40, N of B is 30 minus 15. That is N of C intersection P, right? So N of C intersection P is 15. And then N of P intersection B. P intersection B is 10, right? So that 10 comes over here. Then N of C intersection B. C intersection B is, or B intersection C, both are the same, okay? So that is 5. And next last one is N of C intersection P intersection B. That is 0. So that will come here as 0, okay? So this, when you simplify the right hand side, 60 plus 40, 100, 130. And this is 15, 25, 30. 130 minus 30, that is 100. So the number of students who are enrolled in at least one subject, that is either C or B or P, okay, is 100. Okay. Now let's do the same using Venn diagram. Okay. So this is what is given. The number of students in chemistry is 60, number of students enrolled in physics is 40. All this data is given. Now we will have to, so which, and you can see there is a commonality between chemistry and physics. So the circle, all the sets are normally represented by circle. So there is a intersecting, C and P must be intersecting. Similarly, P and B must intersect because you have a common value. And B and C also must intersect because you have a common value, which means we'll have to draw 3 circles intersecting each other, and each circle representing one subject. So let this circle represent C, chemistry, and let this circle represent physics, and let this circle represent biology. So in all these cases, the first thing we need to do is put the common area, that is, first fill up the common area between all the 3 subjects, all the 3 circles in this case, okay. So in this case, we know C of intersection of B intersection, sorry, C intersection B intersection P is 0. So put that number 0 here. First, this is the first element, first area which we need to fill in. Next, you will have to do intersection areas between two circles. So now let's take C intersection P. So C intersection P represents this whole area, right? But we know this area is 0. And we also know C intersection P is, how much is C intersection P? Is 15. So this whole thing is 15 and this is 0. So which means this area, that is this area, will be total area, which is 15 minus this area, right? Or the number in this area, that is 0. So 15 minus 0 is 15. So this is how we'll have to start filling up. Now if this is 5, if let's say C intersection B intersection P is 5. So what will happen if this is 5, this area will, the total area is 15, the number representing the total area is 15 and this area is 5. So then this area will be total area minus this area, that is 15 minus 5, that will become 10. But in this case is 0, so you are getting 15 minus 0. Same goes, and after this then you'll have to try this intersection, that is C and B. C and B, that is chemistry and biology, that is 5, right? So the whole thing is 5, but this area is represented by 0, so this will be 5 minus 0, that is 5. Similarly, we have, this is P and B, right? Physics and biology, that is 10. So this whole area is represented by 10 and this area is represented by 10, 0. So this will be the whole area minus this, that is 10 minus 0 is 10. So we have all these 4 here. Now we'll have to start filling up this area, that is this part represents only chemistry. We know the whole chemistry, number of students of the area enrolled in chemistry is 60. So, but all these things are also part of that 60, right? So you add up all these things, that is 15 plus 0 plus 5, which is 20, and subtract that from the total number 60, and that will give you 40. That represents this area. The number of students who are enrolled in chemistry alone is this area. You got it? Now let's check it out. So this is 40, that is students who are enrolled in chemistry alone is 40. Chemistry and physics is 15, all 3 is 0, and chemistry and biology is 30. But this 15 has to get counted here also. Am I right? Because they are all enrolled for chemistry as well. Similarly, this also will get will get counted. So you'll get 40 plus 15 plus 0 plus 5, that is 60. Correct? So which is right. So repeat the same here. In this case, the whole circle represents 40, but these parts already represent 25, right? 15 plus 0 plus 25. So this part, which is representing physics alone, will be total 40 minus this 15 plus 0 plus 10. That will get you 40 minus 25, that is 15. Similarly, this area, which represents only biology, right? Oh, sorry, this area, which represents only biology, will be the total of 30 minus 10 minus 0 minus 5, that is 15. So apart from that formula, we get a lot of additional information here. So the number of students who are enrolled in any one subject will be sum of all these numbers. Okay. Right. So in at least in one subject will be, so add up all these things. So this is the whole student gamut, right? This, the whole area represents the students. So that is basically, that's what they are asking. So it will be 40 plus 15 plus 15 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15. So that is what is written here, 14 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, 10 plus 5 plus 0. That is 40, 70, 85, 95, 100. Am I right? 40, 115, 40 plus, okay, this 40 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. Then 5, 10 plus 5 plus 0. That's what is written here. So the number of students, they can ask you the same question, saying, find the number of students. In that case also it is the same, right? So this represents all the students who are enrolled. That will be the answer. Okay. So this is how this problem can be worked using in Venn diagram. The advantage in Venn diagram, apart from the required answer, if they ask us to find only in one subject, in physics alone, so that will get you this answer 50. In chemistry alone is 40. In biology alone, that is 15. Or they might ask you, tell us the number of students are enrolled in only individual subjects, either chemistry or physics or thing, then it will be 40 plus 15 plus 50. Okay, so this is how Venn diagram can be used. But for examination point of view, you can use the first cardinal formula method because it works out much faster. Okay, but if they ask you lots or lot of additional questions, Venn diagram is much easier to do. I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.